Today, the angels bring an extremely important message directly to you about someone who occupies a constant place in your thoughts and emotions. This person holds a fundamental revelation that he has kept for some time. He needs you to understand how deep the gap left by your absence is, how his life seems to lose alignment without you around. Nothing flows or happens as expected in your absence. This person, whose thoughts and feelings are intertwined with yours, fervently believes that you were made for each other, that you are the manifestation of his true love. However, this belief has remained hidden, kept as a precious secret. The reason for this lies in the continuous struggle he faces in trying to express his deepest emotions and feelings. Sincerely, he sees in you the ideal partner, the person who complements his existence, but the scars left by past traumas and personal challenges have made him withdraw, creating a barrier to protect himself from the outside world. This emotional shield he has built around himself is the result of an intense fear of reliving past pains. He fears that by opening up completely, he might once again find himself vulnerable to emotional wounds, which makes him hesitate to fully share the intensity of his feelings for you. The uncertainty about the future, the concern about the difficulties that might emerge, and the possibility of facing seemingly insurmountable challenges haunt him continuously. This fear not only holds him back, but also creates a fog of doubt that obscures the full potential of a shared life. However, despite these internal barriers, there is a powerful force within him that fights to emerge, to break the bonds of insecurity and reveal itself truly to you. This energy, fueled by a deep and genuine affection for you, strives to overcome the past and connect with the promising future that you both could have. When he looks into your eyes, he doesn't just see the person he loves, but sees his own soul reflected back. It is a deep and undeniable connection, a true communion of spirits that transcends words, resonating with a harmony he rarely experiences. This internal struggle, this clash between the fear of the past and the desire for the future, defines the current state of his heart. He is on a personal journey, trying to reconcile his desire for love and intimacy with the fear of new pain. Each day is a step towards the potential of fully opening his heart to you, shedding the armor he has built around himself, and surrendering to the vulnerability that true love requires. Beyond a deep emotional connection, he feels an undeniable and intense physical attraction to you. This attraction manifests as a burning desire for intimacy, an intense aspiration to be close, to share moments not only emotionally, but also physically. However, a barrier stands between desire and action: fear. This fear is not simply a fleeting hesitation. It is a constant presence that acts as a dense veil, obscuring and distorting the clarity of his feelings. He finds himself struggling against this veil, trying to find a way to express his true feelings, but often feels hindered, as if paralyzed by the uncertainty and worry of how his emotions might be received. Despite these challenges, it is crucial to recognize his determination to overcome these obstacles. He has concrete plans to open up to you within the next 6 months. This is not a vague or indefinite plan. It is marked by a firm commitment to make a significant change in the way he relates to you. The exact timing of this revelation may vary. It could be today, tomorrow, next week, or perhaps next month, depending on how circumstances unfold. What matters is that he is committed to this journey of self-expression and preparation to be emotionally and physically available in a way he never has been before. What you can expect, with certainty, is that within the stipulated period of 6 months, there will be a transformation in the dynamic between you two. You will gain a clearer and more precise understanding of where you both stand in relation to each other. This change will not be subtle. It will be evident and striking, reflecting a new level of openness and vulnerability on his part. He is aware that this step is essential not only for the growth of the relationship, but also for his personal development. He understands that the road ahead may be challenging, and that moments of doubt and hesitation may arise as he struggles to lift the veil that has kept his true feelings hidden. However, his resolve to face these fears and move towards a more intimate and authentic relationship is strong. He wants to build a foundation of trust and transparency with you, wishing that both of you share not only joys and successes, but also vulnerabilities and fears. This person, whose thoughts and feelings have been consumed by the idea of a shared life with you, is deeply engaged in reflections about what the future could bring for both of you. The prospect of a future together is both terrifying and enchanting for him. There is an undeniable appeal to the idea of sharing the days, weaving dreams and realities side by side, but there is also a hesitation, a fear born from past experiences that did not turn out well. He is haunted by the concern that history might repeat itself, that complications might arise again and impede the flow of this much-desired union. However, what dominates his thoughts more than anything is the fear of loneliness. The idea of being alone, of not having someone with whom to share life's ups and downs, weighs more on his heart than the fear of the unknown. This fear of a solitary existence is more powerful than any uncertainty about what a relationship with you might entail. It is this need for connection, intimacy, and partnership that is driving him to consider a significant change in how he relates to you. Therefore, in the coming months, be prepared for a remarkable leap of faith on his part. He is gearing up to take a decisive step toward you, a gesture of openness and honesty that he hopes will strengthen the bonds between you. He wants to be fully transparent with you, expressing his deepest feelings and vulnerabilities, in the hope that this will lay a solid foundation for a future together. He not only wants, but needs to take this step to avoid the fate of a life of isolation that he so deeply fears. He is, therefore, willing to take risks, to set aside old fears in favor of an opportunity to get things right this time. An offer is being formulated, a sincere proposal that he plans to present, and that has the potential to significantly alter the course of both of your lives. This offer is not a mere formality. It is an invitation to embark on a shared journey, a shared commitment aimed at building a future where both of you are partners and confidants. Be open and receptive to this new phase that is about to begin. The person we are talking about is currently immersed in an intense journey of introspection and deep reflection. He is fully dedicating himself to the process of carefully considering how to make a very significant offer to you. He is involved in a thorough evaluation of every aspect of this proposal, from the formulation of the words to the approach to the situation, with a keen eye on all the details involved. This meticulousness demonstrates how crucial he considers this next step, and his determination to execute it in the right way reflects the importance you have for him and the value he places on your relationship. He is fully aware that every detail matters and that the precision in his actions can define the future for both of you. This is not just a romantic gesture. It is a declaration of intentions that he intends to make with total clarity and sincerity. He wants this offer not only to meet expectations, but also to open new possibilities for your relationship. For him, it is essential that everything is planned and executed to perfection, as he understands that the impact of this moment can be transformative. However, it is crucial to understand that the process of preparing for such a significant step involves time and deep self-evaluation. Currently, he does not feel completely ready to move forward. This does not indicate a lack of desire or hesitation due to a lack of interest. On the contrary, he is consciously investing his time and energy in his personal journey of self-discovery and growth. He is focused on improving himself, facing his insecurities, and overcoming the barriers that might prevent him from fully expressing himself. He is committed to transforming himself into the best version of himself, not just for you but as an act of self-respect and personal evolution. He realizes that by improving himself, he will be better prepared to contribute more meaningfully to your relationship. He wants to ensure that when he finally makes this offer, everything is perfectly aligned, both emotionally and practically, so that both of you can move forward together in a harmonious and confident manner. As he continues with his inner journey, he is dedicating more and more effort to achieving a deeper sense of happiness, strengthening his inner core, and seeking a more complete personal fulfillment. This internal transformation is not a sudden event, but a gradual and extremely crucial process that is shaping him for a truly sincere and meaningful encounter with you. He is aware that this internal maturation is essential to ensure that when he finally feels ready, he can offer the best of himself in the relationship. He firmly believes that by reaching this new stage of personal satisfaction, he will be better equipped to face and overcome any challenges that may arise between you, strengthening the relationship in a lasting way. Although from the outside it may sometimes seem that he does not care or that he appears distant, the reality is completely different. His mind and heart are often with you, reflecting on what life would be like by your side. He thinks of you constantly, not just superficially, but in a way that is deeply integrated into his life and his vision of the future. He imagines how wonderful it would be to share every aspect of daily life with you and your family, thinking about how every little detail could be intertwined with yours. This vision of a shared life goes beyond simply living together. He visualizes a complete integration of your lives in a meaningful and harmonious way. He dreams of a future where your routines, challenges, joys, and sorrows are shared and faced together as a cohesive team. This idea, though full of hope and promises, also carries a weight of reality, knowing that such a commitment requires significant changes and continuous dedication from both sides. Of course, facing such changes can be a daunting prospect. The idea of completely altering his current life and the commitments it entails can generate fear and hesitation. However, he is determined to overcome these fears. He is committed to doing what is necessary for this vision to become a reality, facing any obstacle that may appear on the path with courage and determination. He understands that these challenges are just part of the process of building a solid and enriching relationship that both of you deserve. At this moment, he is deeply immersed in reflections about you, dedicating his thoughts to how he can overcome the fears and anxieties surrounding this relationship, which he considers exceptionally special. The love he nurtures for you is authentic and intense, a feeling that emerges from the deepest part of his being. He is fully decided to face and overcome any emotional barrier that might interfere with the path he wishes to follow by your side. Every time you express your love and support, you send a powerful message to the universe, a sign that both of you are ready to face any challenges that may arise, reinforcing the mutual commitment to make this relationship not just survive but truly thrive. It is essential that you are equally prepared to deal with possible frustrations or uncertainties that may emerge on this shared path. At every step, it is important that you affirm, both internally and to him, that your love is deep and unwavering, and that you are fully engaged in overcoming any obstacle that may arise. This determination from both of you to face adversities together is what strengthens the relationship, making it grow more fortified and cohesive. Moreover, the process of reconciliation involves much more than simply resuming where things left off or reviving a past relationship. It is an opportunity to address and resolve pending issues, to clarify misunderstandings, and to repair any damage that may have been caused. It is a joint effort to shape a future that both of you want to share, based on understanding, respect, and genuine love. This commitment to rebuild, to work together to establish a solid foundation, is what will allow the relationship to flourish in new and beautiful ways. Therefore, as you walk together on this journey, remember that every little gesture of love and every word of support are bricks that build the structure of a shared life. Face each challenge as an opportunity to strengthen your bond, and each day as a chance to get closer to each other. With this mindset and mutual dedication, you will not only overcome obstacles, but also create a resilient and love-filled relationship, ready to face whatever the future may bring. Remember, you are worthy and loved. If you agree, type, "I am worthy and destined for true and honest love, a love that transcends all barriers." Fully internalize this message and all the blessings it contains, repeating with conviction. Love is a beautiful, strong, and happy feeling, and I deserve to love and be loved in its entirety and fullness. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the next inspiring messages. I look forward to seeing you soon. Together, we will elevate our spirits and create waves of positive energy that will envelop the world. Stay tuned for the next important message waiting for you in the next video. May God and the universe continue to light your path with peace, love, and faith. Amen.